A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, Subject English. Today we will do the revision of cursive letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे students? आज हम cursive letters का revision करेंगे. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. You have to hold your pencil like this. आपको पेंसिल कैसे पकड़नी है स्टूडेंट्स? Like this. Now the first letter is A. A for apple. First letter आपको क्या लिखना है स्टूडेंट्स? A. A for apple. Now put your pencil on a blue line. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line. And a loop between these two lines. A for apple. A for apple. What is the spelling of apple? Speak with me. A P P L E. Apple. Now what is the next letter after the A? B. B for ball. B for ball. Now put your pencil on a dot. Draw a slanting line. क्या बनानी है सबसे पहले? Slanting line. One more slanting line. Then a curve. Then a loop. And a curve. This is letter B. B for ball. What is the spelling of ball? B A L L. Ball. Now what is the next letter? B for ball के बाद next letter कौन सा आता है बच्चों? C. C for cat. C for cat. Now put your pencil on a blue line. Draw a curve and a semicircle. This is letter C. C for cat. What is the spelling of cat? C A T. Cat. Now what is the next letter? C for cat के बाद कौन सा letter आता है students? D. D for duck. D for duck. Now put your pencil on a dot. Draw a slanting line, a loop, a semicircle. This is letter D. D for duck. What is the spelling of duck? Duck की spelling क्या होती है? Speak with me. D U C K. Duck. Now what is the next letter? E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Now put your pencil on a blue line. Draw a curve like this and a semicircle. One more semicircle. This is letter E. E for elephant. What is the spelling of elephant? Speak with me. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Now what is the next letter? F. F for fish. Now put your pencil on a red line. Draw a curve like this and a slanting line, then a curve. Now last line is sleeping line on the first blue line. This is letter F. F for fish. What is the spelling of fish? F I S H. Fish. Now F for fish के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? What is the next letter? G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Now put your pencil on a blue line. Draw a curve. Then a semicircle and a slanting line, again a curve. This is letter G. G for grapes. What is the spelling of grapes? G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Now, what is the next letter? H. H for house. G for grapes के बाद नेक्स्ट लेटर कौन सा आता है स्टूडेंट्स? H. H for house. Now draw with me. Curve, slanting line, curve. Again slanting line and a loop. This is letter H. H for house. What is the spelling of house? Speak with me. H-O-U-S-E. House. Now H for house के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? What is the next letter? I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Now draw with me a curve, a slanting line, again a slanting line and a curve. This is letter I. I for igloo. What is the spelling of igloo? I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Now I for igloo के बाद what is the next letter? J. J for joker. J for joker. See here a curve, a slanting line, one more curve. This is letter J. J for joker. What is the spelling of joker? J-O-K-E-R. Joker. Now next letter is K. नेक्स्ट लेटर कौन सा आता है J के बाद? K. K for kite. See here. Draw with me. Curve, slanting line, curve, curve line, small loop, again a curve. This is letter K. K for kite. What is the spelling of kite? K-I-T-E. Kite. Now the next letter is L. L for lion. See here. Draw a curve line, a loop, slanting line, one more loop, then a curve line. This is letter L. L for lion. What is the spelling of lion? L-I-O-N. Lion. Now L for lion के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है स्टूडेंट्स? What is the next letter after the L? M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Now draw with me. Slanting line, one more and last. M for monkey. Now again write with me. Slanting line, one more and last. 4 slanting lines. The letter makes 4 slanting line. 4 slanting line से हमने कौन सा लेटर बनाया स्टूडेंट्स? M. M for monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? Speak with me. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Now again M for monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? Speak with me. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Now again write with me. M for monkey. Again repeat with me. स्पेलिंग क्या होती है मंकी की? व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ मंकी? M-O in your homework, what you have to do? You have to practice the cursive letters and click a picture of it, send it to the school WhatsApp number. This is your homework. आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स होमवर्क में? आपको कर्सिव लेटर्स की प्रैक्टिस करनी है, देन आपको पिक क्लिक करके स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर सेंड करना है. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. टिल देन, टेक केयर एंड कीप स्टडिंग.